Login loop error on Stash fix. If you've been stuck in a login loop on the Stash app where you enter your details, hit sign in, and get sent right back to the login page, you're not alone. It feels like you're locked out, but the truth is, this issue usually has nothing to do with your account or password. The culprit: cached data and expired authentication tokens. Stash uses advanced security systems to protect your financial information. When your app stores outdated login tokens, the servers can't verify your session. Instead of showing an error, it just resets the login screen, creating that frustrating loop. Here's how to fix it step by step. First, close the Stash app completely. Go to your device's settings, find the Stash app and open storage. Then tap Clear Cache and Clear Data. This resets the app's login state and removes the old, conflicting information. Next, reopen the Stash app and log in manually. Don't rely on autofill or saved passwords this time. Enter your credentials fresh to make sure the app starts a new session with Stash servers. If it still loops, check your device's date and time settings. Make sure Tire is set to automatic. Even a few seconds of difference can make Stash security system reject your login as invalid. If you're using a Veeam or have ad blockers installed, turn them off temporarily. These tools often mask your network or block Stash's connection, which can cause login errors. As a final step, uninstall and reinstall the Stash app to ensure you have the latest version. Once you log back in successfully, set up biometric login like Face It or fingerprint access for a smoother experience next time. So remember, the Stash login loop isn't a system crash, it's a simple cache conflict. Clear your app data, check your time settings, and disable your Veeam. Do that, and you'll be back to tracking your investments in no time.